Good evening, ABR Market Watch viewers. Let's wrap up today's market events with a glance at the Indian financial landscape. The headline takeaway: foreign portfolio investors have offloaded $2.7 billion of Indian financial stocks in August, the highest monthly outflow in 7 months. Concerns over India's export competitiveness, muted earnings, and tactical shifts to other Asian markets have led to this sell-off. But fear not, for the financial services index fell 4.1%, pulling down the benchmark Nifty 50 by 1.4%. However, sectors like telecoms, construction, autos, capital goods, and services attracted inflows. The overall market mood? Cautiously optimistic, as India's macroeconomic fundamentals remain stable. FPIs have continued selling into September, but analysts expect pressure to ease. In contrast, the Indian stock market is seeing a slight uptick today, with the BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty advancing despite losses in energy and tech sectors, boosted by optimism surrounding tax cuts meant to boost domestic demand and mitigate US tariffs. The Indian rupee, however, has dropped against the US dollar due to increased demand from local oil companies and foreign banks. Government bonds are down slightly with a yield of 6.5179%, despite the government's revenue loss from consumption tax cuts being smaller than anticipated. Overnight index swaps and call money rates have also seen a minor decrease, following their usual trends. The US Federal Reserve's expected rate cut continues to put pressure on the dollar. In other news, the GST Council approved a two-rate structure and cut levies on everyday items to boost domestic demand and counter US tariffs. However, IT stocks fell for the third consecutive day due to uncertainty surrounding the impact of US tariffs, while energy stocks dropped after the government increased taxes on oil and gas services. Financials gained 0.5%, while auto and consumer goods companies saw growth on hopes that lower GST rates will stimulate spending. The government expects a revenue loss of $5.5 billion from the tax reform, lower than initial estimates. Despite positive local policy changes, foreign investors remain cautious due to factors like US rates, dollar strength, and global risk appetite. They sold $4 billion of Indian equities in August and over $1 billion in the first 3 sessions of September. In closing, India's markets show a mixed response to the GST reforms and international tariff concerns, with some sectors gaining while others lose ground. Foreign investors continue to exercise caution amidst global economic uncertainty. But remember, opportunities lie where risks are taken, so stay informed and make smart investment decisions. Lastly, before we wrap up, don't forget to check out our current crypto sale offering up to 80% off, but this offer is set to expire soon. Till next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep watching ABR Market Watch for all your financial updates.